Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been making waves in the AI community, GPT-o1. Yes, we've reset to number 1. Now, when GPT-o1 was announced, it came with huge promises. We were told this would be the AI model to revolutionize everything, giving us PhD-level expertise at our fingertips, allowing us to tackle complex business problems, analyze large-scale data, and ultimately change the way we work. But here's the reality. GPT-o1 has fallen short. Let's break this down. First off, it's slower than we expected. With all the hype, we thought we'd get something that would increase our efficiency, help us scale up our workflows, and actually reduce friction in business processes. Instead, using GPT-o1 feels like waiting for an outdated processor to catch up. But that's just the beginning. The features we got? Frankly, they're underwhelming. This model was supposed to come with advanced capabilities, web browsing, document processing, a larger context window, all the things we need to do real, practical work. But none of that is here. Let's take web browsing, for example. For anyone trying to stay up to date with the latest market trends or run data-rich projects, the absence of live web access is a huge limitation. You're stuck with static knowledge. Sure, it's deep knowledge, but it's not always relevant, especially in fast-moving fields like business and AI. The data here is almost a full year out of date. And speaking of irrelevant, let's talk about those responses. Have you noticed that GPT-o1 seems to love going on and on about details you didn't even ask for? It's like the model is giving you a dissertation every time you ask for a quick summary. You're sitting there waiting for actionable insights, and instead, you get buried in unnecessary information. It's not helpful when you're on a tight schedule and need precise answers. Now, don't get me wrong, there are some positives here. The technology behind GPT-o1 is still solid. It shows real promise. But promise isn't enough. We need a tool that can actually deliver practical value today, not just something that feels like a prototype for tomorrow. The biggest issue for me, and I'm sure a lot of you feel the same, is the lack of a larger context window. This is critical for real work, especially in business. Whether you're analyzing financial models, creating strategic plans, or running deep AI research, you need more space to handle complex data, not these constant limitations. Think about it. If you're working on a large project and need the model to digest hundreds of pages of information, GPT-o1 just isn't up to the task right now. That's a major letdown. And let's not forget, this is the model that came right after all that controversy at OpenAI last year. They had a chance to make a real statement and win back the community with something that could change the game. Instead, we got something that feels half-baked. So, where does that leave us? Well, we can hope that OpenAI uses this as a stepping stone. I think we can all agree that AI has the potential to reshape industries, but we're not going to get there with models that feel incomplete. We need real tools that enhance our productivity, not ones that just talk a big game. Don't forget, as of the recording of this video, you only have some many times a week you can access these models. In the end, GPT-o1 represents progress, but it's not the leap forward we were promised. Let's hope OpenAI gets this right in future updates, because as it stands right now, this isn't the AI model that's going to revolutionize anything. What do you all think? Are you disappointed with GPT-o1 too? Or am I missing something here? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the conversation started. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and business content. I'll be keeping a close eye on future developments in this space, so stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.